Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Landrover 2008. Okay, we are trying to program what they call the air suspension. Let's see what we need to do. Ignition off, cancel. Operation information. Is a high tag or MK? You know, like it will ask you which one is that. Is it a Hitachi or AMK? Okay, I'm gonna go. It will ask us that. Okay, this is AMK compressor. So we're gonna go okay. Configuration test for correct software. Everything doing complete. Execute complete. Now turn the key on. I'm gonna do it faster. Be sure your battery is fully charged. Software download. Be sure your battery is fully charged. I am using VCX as a pass-through device. You can use this one, Landrover Jaguar software also work. You see here, let's keep going. All software parts are okay. Here is it. If before was Hitachi and you change it to S-Mark, or you have to know which one because it have two. Okay, let me be sure that I have internet. I'm gonna change this one for another software because I need to be sure I have internet. Stay with me. Internet now. Give me some internet, because without right internet we cannot do nothing. Yeah, I have internet. Let me be sure. Now stuff. Okay, now we're good. I'm going to put internet down. I will say yes, I have internet. Because if you don't have internet, you cannot get a software online. Okay, next. Download the software. Good. Finish. Yes, you have to do it correctly. Module initialization, rectification procedure. If you change it, everything look okay. We're gonna wait a little bit. This is LR3, LR4, L319 Landrover. Yes. Good. Turn the key off. Tick, click, tick. Then click here, tick also. Complete. Switch ignition on. Reading full call. Ignition off. Continue. Successfully complete. Good. That's it. Now we can go to session, diagnose, electrical or chassis, close, suspension system, ride and handling optimization, mechanical suspension, air compressor, not working, then continue. Every company have its own way of diagnosis. This is just idea. Mexico, US, look at cars here. All those countries just giving you an idea where you're gonna go. American cars. Safe. Complete. Invalid. Receive from right control level. This one here. All terrain control module. We have a problem here. All terrain control module system malfunction indicator lamp fitted. The terrain response control module has detected that the air suspension control module component had operated in a way or time that it had not been commanded to operate. Suspension system. The air suspension control module is unable to support normal terrain response functionality. The system will not go into default condition.